How easy or tough is it to learn AutoCAD? Can it be learned online? AutoCAD is a commercial computer-aided design and drafting software application. This is used for designing and drafting. It is used to draw and design documents and applications with easy customization options. This software application is used by millions around the world. It can be used to create 2D and 3D models with solid surfaces and mesh objects. KapilGuru provides a wonderful opportunity to learn AutoCAD through its amazing e-learning platform. The expert trainers on KapilGuru's platform makes this application extremely easy to learn online. If a person shows interest in learning this application, it's not tough to learn. AutoCAD had a good scope and broad opportunities both in India and abroad as well. AutoCAD is an industry-recognized software used generally by engineers to plan, draw and edit 2D and 3D designs effectively. It eliminates the limitation of drawing with the hands, keeping the physical design files safe, and the complexities of sharing, getting feedback, and making edits in the design. AutoCAD has an excellent demand in India as well as in foreign countries. There are more than 140,000 AutoCAD jobs in India. Top companies like Larsen & Toubro, Autodesk, Honeywell, Orange, Pi Infocom, AutoZone, Employers, and Scient etc. are looking for AutoCAD professionals. If anyone is interested in learning AutoCAD, he can log in to kapilguru.com to make the learning easy and effective.